Cathie Wood is positive that Tesla will cross over $1,000 in terms of stock price, but what makes her think so and should you buy? Sit tight as we take you through Cathie Wood's analysis of the Tesla stock. But before we do that, subscribe to our channel, $1 World, for regular Tesla stock updates. In the realm of high-stakes investing, where fortunes are made and lost with the precision of a gambler's roll, one enigma has risen to the forefront: Cathie Wood, the visionary founder of ARK Investment Management. Her bold predictions have become the stuff of Wall Street legend, and in the latest chapter of her saga, she unveils a tantalizing narrative that revolves around the electric giant Tesla. As the curtain rises, ARK Investment Management, an entity that has become synonymous with audacious calls on emerging technologies, steps into the spotlight. In their Big Ideas 2023 report, the stage is set for a dazzling performance, showcasing the disruptive forces of public blockchains, robotics, electric vehicles, and autonomous driving platforms. Cathie Wood, the orchestrator of this financial symphony, has earned her place among the elite by foreseeing the triumphs of early disruptors such as Nvidia, Block, aka Square, and the digital gold rush that is Bitcoin. Amid the shimmering lights of the investing world, ARK's flagship, the ARK Innovation EFT, stumbled in the previous act but now takes center stage with a triumphant turnaround, a performance worthy of a standing ovation, 42% returns, a feat that eclipses the gains of the S&P 500. The protagonists driving this resurgence are none other than Exact Sciences, Coinbase Global, and Shopify, but Cathie Wood, the mastermind behind the scenes, whispers to the audience that this is merely the opening act. The crescendo of ARK's narrative reaches its zenith as the spotlight shifts to Tesla, a colossus in the EV arena. Cathie Wood, the storyteller-in-chief, weaves a tale of astronomical proportions, a prophecy that echoes through the hallowed halls of Wall Street. Tesla ascending to $2,000 by 2027, a potential windfall of 729% for investors compared to the recent closing price. Yet the tale doesn't end there. The bull case emerges, more fantastical than the wildest dreams of the audience. $2,500 per share over the next 3 years, a staggering 936% gain. The question lingering in the air is whether this financial fable is grounded in reality or if it's a flight of fancy. The evidence, like a cryptic map, guides investors through the labyrinth of uncertainty. The case for Tesla, as presented by the maestro herself, is a narrative of simplicity and triumph. The crown jewel of Tesla's fleet, the Model Y, claims the throne as the world's best-selling car in the first and second quarters of 2023, a historic feat for an electric vehicle. Green Cars, a chronicler of automotive tales, paints a vivid picture, reporting sales of 427,524 Model Y units, an 85% surge from the previous year. The usurped Toyota Corolla bows to the electric champion, and even the Tesla Model 3 finds its place among the elite in the top 10. As the plot thickens, a recent twist adds intrigue. A catalyst, like a sudden gust of wind propelling a ship forward, emerges in the form of revised criteria from the Biden administration. The entire arsenal of Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y vehicles now dances in the spotlight of eligibility for the full federal EV tax credit, a sumptuous $7,500. In a strategic choreography, this incentive, coupled with state and local tax credits, transforms the cost of these Teslas in at least 10 U.S. states to a tantalizing range of $26,000 to $30,000, a move calculated to rival the allure of traditional internal combustion engines. The audience senses a turning point, a twist that will likely elevate demand to new heights. In the grand tapestry of these developments, a compelling portrait emerges. Tesla, the protagonist, stands resolute at the forefront of the EV market, a force to be reckoned with. Yet, as with any epic, the plot is rife with suspense, and investors are left pondering the likelihood of the climax that Cathie Wood prophesizes. Will Tesla truly scale the towering heights of $2,000 or even $2,500 per share? The skeptics, like shadowy figures lurking in the background, raise their doubts. The market is a stage where unforeseen actors can alter the course of the narrative. Headwinds such as global economic shifts, regulatory hurdles, or unforeseen technological rivals may emerge, challenging Tesla's ascent. As the audience contemplates this financial odyssey, the seasoned investors remain cognizant of the risks. For every tale of triumph carries the inherent shadow of uncertainty. Cathie Wood, the oracle of ARK, has cast her lot with Tesla's destiny, and only time will unveil the denouement of this financial saga. The investors, much like avid readers turning the pages of a suspenseful novel, await the next chapter, where the twists and turns of the market will reveal the true narrative arc of Tesla's fortunes. Enjoying the video so far? Be sure to join our Discord community to connect with other like-minded investors. Talking about the Tesla stock price actions, as the sun rises over the Nasdaq exchange, Tesla Inc., or TSLA, takes center stage in the financial theater, trading at $236.08 per share with a modest uptick of 63 cents or positive 0.27%. The day's performance unfolds with a volume of 24,950,355 shares, contributing to a formidable market cap of $750.48 billion. The stock's journey in the past year reflects a tale of highs and lows, encapsulated within a 52-week range of $101.81 to $299.29. Diving into the intricate details, Tesla's opening act at $236.89 sets the tone, reaching a crescendo with a high of $238.33 and a subdued low of $232.10. The stage is adorned with financial metrics, revealing a P/E ratio of 76.02, an EPS of $3.11, and an elusive dividend yield. Meanwhile, short interest paints a nuanced picture with 92.72 million shares held in suspense as of November 15, 2023, constituting 3.35% of the float. In the bustling world of financial news, whispers of Tesla's strategic moves reverberate through the market. Reports suggest a 30% cut in the production of Model 3 and Model Y vehicles in China during November, adding an element of suspense to the unfolding drama. The climax approaches with Tesla poised to release its fourth quarter earnings report on December 14th, a pivotal moment that could sway the narrative. Amidst the sea of analysts, a chorus echoes a buy sentiment for Tesla, harmonizing with an average target price of $300. The protagonist, however, faces headwinds, with the stock still languishing over 50% below its all-time high of $1,243.49 set in November 2021. The challenges are evident: supply chain disruptions, escalating costs, and the looming specter of heightened competition. Talking more about the news surrounding Tesla, in April 2023, ARK Investment Management unveiled a captivating tableau, a valuation model that painted three potential destinies for Tesla by 2027. The narrative unfolds with a base case, an optimistic bull case, and a cautionary bear case. The base case scenario casts Tesla stock at $2,000, promising gains of 729%, while the audacious bull case envisions a soaring ascent to $2,500, delivering a staggering 936% return. On the flip side, the bear case suggests a more tempered price of $1,400, still presenting a respectable upside of 480%. At the heart of ARK's thesis lies the belief that Tesla's foray into the world of robotaxis will be the catalyst propelling its valuation. A visionary venture that positions autonomous ride-hailing services to contribute a significant 44% to Tesla's revenue by 2027, overshadowing the anticipated 47% from electric vehicles. Yet the skeptics in the audience raise an eyebrow, questioning the readiness of Tesla's full self-driving technology to orchestrate a fleet of robotaxis. The plot thickens with projections of Tesla's vehicle sales, with just over 1.3 million cars sold in 2022 and a similar trajectory for 2023. ARK's lofty goals demand a seismic shift. To achieve the envisioned heights, Tesla must sell between 10 million and 21 million vehicles by 2027, a prospect that challenges the boundaries of reason. The audience contemplates whether a 5 to 10-fold increase in sales within 5 years is a realistic ambition. Revenue, a pivotal subplot in ARK's narrative, weaves a tale of substantial growth. The script anticipates Tesla generating between $346 billion and $528 billion by 2027, a stark contrast to the 2022 revenue of $81.5 billion. Analysts' consensus estimates, though optimistic, still fall short, leaving a significant gap to bridge. Economic headwinds of recent years are dissipating, aligning with potential catalysts, yet the hurdles outlined by ARK appear formidable. As the audience reconciles these conflicting narratives, the protagonist, Tesla, faces an uncertain fate. A growth trajectory exceeding ARK's benchmark seems plausible, but achieving the base case of $2,000 by 2027 appears elusive, at least in the eyes of the current evidence. The macroeconomic challenges of the past year cast shadows over the bull case of $2,500, rendering it a distant possibility. The more pragmatic scenario envisions Tesla potentially exceeding the bear case of $1,400, yet not soaring to the height ARK envisages. Amidst the uncertainty, echoes of a previous proclamation resurface. ARK's declaration that, even without autonomous driving or ride-hailing, Tesla was destined to touch $500 by 2026, a prophecy that, with the passage of time, appears more realistic as Tesla's stock has more than doubled, closing at $241.20 on Tuesday. The elephant in the room, however, is Tesla's valuation, currently trading at 75 times forward earnings and 6 times forward sales. While skeptics may balk at these figures, proponents argue that Tesla's industry dominance, the surging adoption of EVs, and a favorable economic climate warrant the premium. In this financial drama, the stage is set for investors to make their bets. Whether Tesla achieves the lofty goals set by ARK or charts a more measured course, the narrative unfolds, leaving investors to navigate the twists and turns of Tesla's unpredictable journey. Remember that this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research and make informed investment decisions. That was all for today. Let us know if you think this stock will make you rich or not in the comments section. Hit like and subscribe to our channel, $1 World, for more such penny stock videos, and we will see you in the next one.